Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of link chain in Autodesk Inventor software. For this, go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now go to 2D Sketch and select the XY plane. This will be the front plane. Now go to Rectangle command and select the center to center slot. Okay. Now select the center point and make a slot. Okay. Now give it a dimensions, go to dimensions and select the center line and take it as 33 and select this and give it a dimension 9.3. Okay. Now finish sketch. You want to sweep on this profile, so to make that, go to plane, we'll construct a new plane, select this endpoint and select this straight line. Now we have constructed a new plane. Now select this plane, go to create sketch, rotate it, take the home view. Okay. Now go to project geometry and we'll project this point over here. Okay, you can see this point now. Escape. Now go to circle command and select this point and make a circle of dia 8. Okay, now finish sketch. Now we will select the sweep command and select this profile which we want to sweep and go to path and select this path. Okay, and okay. Now one link is constructed. Now we want to make another link. This is made. We want to make a link like this. So for that, go to origin and select the XZ plane. Click here to create sketch. Okay, move it. Change the view. Go to view. From here, change the view to wireframe. Okay, now you can see properly the sketching part. Go to sketch and again we will go to slot and take the center to center slot. Now make a slot over here with same dimensions. Go to dimension. The center to center will remain same of 33 and this radius will be of 9.3. Okay. Now to make it constraint, go to home. Now go to project geometry and select this circle. This will construct a line over here. So we want to make this point and this line. So from here, go to coincident and select this line and this point. Okay. Now go to top view. Now escape from this. Now you can see the movement is like vertical movement. To stop this, from here, go to horizontal, constraint, select this point and select this point. Now this is fully constrained profile. Now finish sketch and we will construct a plane over here again. Now you can change the view. Go to view. From here, change the view to shaded. To make a new plane, go to sketch, a 3D model and go to plane. Select this endpoint and select this straight line. Okay. Now select this plane and go to create sketch. Rotate it. Now go to project geometry and project this point at which the plane is made. On same point, go to circle command and make a circle. Make a circle of same dia 8 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch and go to sweep command. Select this profile which you want to sweep and go to path and select the path and okay. This is one link. Now we don't require these planes, so select this plane, right click and turn off the visibility. Similarly select this, right click and turn off the visibility. Now we want to pattern these profiles, so from here go to rectangular pattern, select this profile and select this profile, go to direction and we will select this. Now again we will go to rectangular pattern and select these two profiles, go to direction 1 and select the YZ plane and the distance between will be of 66 and the count of 4 and okay. Now you can give a color to this. From here go to steel as or silver, you can give silver. So this was a basic model of link chain in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.